Hey guys, it's Danielle the Face from My Indie. And if you're ever driving down 70, it's actually and we are inside with the owner, Jackie. And we have a big event coming up.
Huge sale coming up, yes, on May 4th, 5th, and 6th, right here at exit 145 and 70 in Centerville, Indiana.
And it is your spring
Our big spring open house, Candle and Sandal Fling.
candle and sandal fling, which is great because you actually have your candles of the month,
Yes.
which are
We're going to be offering 4 different candles of the month for sale over that weekend.
and it is, let me get this, I don't want to mess this up.
Okay.
It is your
Yes.
honeysuckle, sun-kissed sage, chocolate and rose, and choice lily. All four of those.
All 4 of those 25% off.
And I want you to notice her adorable footwork because that does the flip-flop.
It does, that's the sandal.
The sandal part of
That's the
it.
sandal of the candles.
And you're doing something interesting. You are actually having a new original store. Tell us about that.
We are. We're going to be taking our store down, the original store, and expanding this building to double its size. So long last promise for our old store. 3,600 square feet of sales.
What's one last thing in your store? So what can we expect from going into the spring event? There's live entertainment.
There's live entertainment. We have a huge hospitality tent. We give away hot dogs, popcorn. We're going to have a hot air balloon, potters. We're going to have a lady making glass beads. It's really an event and not just a sale.
And which I love about it, you are more than just a candle company. And I will be here on Friday for you.
So happy to see you.
And I definitely need another candle because, and I tell you, these candles burn forever. I think I got my last one in December, and it is still going